I don't know how this looks like. We'll see. Oh, there's nothing.
Alright.
It's just a plastic.
Nej.
And a paper.
Jag vill.
You got it now?
Yes.
Guys, we know it already now. We know it now. Was it the controller or the switch?
Or a very tiny ventilator.
A switch?
A switch and a controller.
Controller and a switch. I don't know how it looks like. We will see, guys. We will gonna open it. Oh no, it's so full here now. You don't want me to sit now?
Huh?
You don't want me to sit? We're not gonna start collecting spices now.
Yeah.
He loves to collect spices,
Because you
guys.
throw all my spices.
Because it's what's expired. Look guys, it's ketchup and it's so cute. It's like one like that. Look at that. So cute. They have that too. Are you done there? We're looking for a lemon, guys. Maybe we can get the fresh.
Where's that fresh?
How much do you need then? They usually have it in the spices. It's Happy that is planning with the food, guys, because I am not so good in cooking. So he's the one. I'm just here to say something what I want.
I think it's a top 20 or something.
So guys, if you don't like to cook, then you should find a husband that does the cooking, or else there will be cows in the kitchen. So cute. It's so cute, guys. It's 10 kroner. It's just 10 kroner. We're done. They have lemon, like we call it limoncito in Philippines, and that's really good. But I guess here it's just for ornamentals. We're gonna put this first because it's open. We're opening the not the top or ay.
Oh yeah. Connected already.
Oh.
Now we have two. We can sell one.
Hi, today we were gonna do the unboxing. We were gonna do the unboxing of this one here. This small box. And I asked hubby to do the unboxing, but he said that it would be more surprising if I'll be the one to do the unboxing because I didn't know what's inside. So we will see. I don't know how this looks like. We'll see. Oh, there's nothing.
Alright.
It's just a plastic.
Nej.
And a paper.
Jag vill.
that it's a homie.
Of course, it's a homie.
It's like that, guys. It's a homie. It is like Alexa.
Almost.
What is this for? Oh, switch. Is it?
Mm-hmm.
How much did you buy?
4,000? No, 3,000.
So guys, we have wireless what's it? Switch? Wireless switch at home. So we buy this one. Oh yeah. This is the switch. Can you look if it's recording?
Yeah.
And this is the switch, guys. And you can just lim it or tape it. There you can just remove the plastic here, then you can just stick it to the wall.
And we can take it off.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ah. You can
So you
also...
can carry it with you.
Oh yeah. Maybe it should come here. Yeah, this one, guys, you can stick on the wall. Oh my God. You can stick on the wall, this one, and then you can carry it with you. Smart, huh? I didn't know that. So if you're watching TV, then you can just carry it with you on the table. So there it is. So it is connected to the phone. Right.
Can connect to the phone.
Huh?
Yeah, can connect to the phone.
It is almost the same to Alexa. We have Alexa here in Europe and also in America. Is it all over the world?
Yeah.
That you can just say, Alexa, can you turn on the music? Alexa, you can do like that. Alexa, can you turn on the lights? So maybe you can buy Alexa too.
Yeah.
It's so hard to open, you know.
Okay.
Like that. So cute. Oh my God. It's like a ball, guys. Look at that. But wait, it's not straight. It's like a globe.
Yeah.
It's like that, guys. And they have a charger and a plug. It should be connected all the time, or you just charge it?
No, it's connected all the time.
Connected all the time? So there's no battery in it?
No.
Oh, there's a sticker connected here. Where's that? Doesn't say. Can you turn it on, please?
No. Well, you need to program it.
Oh, you need to program it?
Yeah, how can it else know where the light is?
Oh yeah.
It's not that smart.
Let's look at that, guys. So cute. And it's just like the hand. Happy make a smoothie. It's so yummy.
Yeah, I told you. Much better.
Yeah. We tried this one, guys, with milk, but it was a little bit bitter, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe because the milk is not, there's no taste on the milk. So we tried juice, so now it's...
Use a little bit of milk.
Oh yeah, it's a little bit with milk.
Because if you don't have juice, it gets too sour.
Oi,
Yeah, baby.
look at that. Like, homie, can you turn on the lights? You can't do
Yeah, but it's better to have that one up there to control the light, and then you have Alexa here.
Okay.
Whereas Alexa is much better voice
What's
recognition.
mine? I mean,
Yeah, but mine is almost empty, so I need to steal from you.
talking now.
Because he's
Can-
want to
can-
be connected.
But he can't reply.
Ja, liksom.
Like when you say, homie. Hi, homie.
But you need to install it first.
Okay.
You are so excited.
You don't reply, guys. But it is so funny. Hubby is installing the homie now, and then the Wi-Fi didn't connect, and then he said, I guess the Wi-Fi was it the Wi-Fi password is incorrect. He said that. He's there. Homie's there. Hi, homie. He can't talk, guys. It's not like Alexa. So he's doing it there. Can I see?
Just on and off now. Just need to figure out how it works. Yeah, he's up there now. Because I think it has to be close, like within 2 meters, it said, when you're installing it. But not after, of course.
So there it is. Looks like our control system here.
It's a little bit messy.
It's a little bit messy, guys, but it's okay. It's a little bit chaos here. Oh, yeah. My love, we should. Oh,
It's alive!
where did you turn it on?
There. But it's always on after.
Oh, yeah. You can put it here.
We should have it here. But then it will be dark when you go out as light from the hallway.
Maybe in the hallway.
No, but you want it, you don't want it too far from the kitchen.
Okay.
Because this will come, or we can put one here and one there.
Ah, you can.
Have as many as you want.
So there is the switch, guys. And like that. And there's a charger. And hubby is installing it now. Oh yeah. Okay. It's blue color.
It changes depending on what light you have and what you do with it.
Okay.
So
It's orange now.
Huh.
Walnut quad.
You have
Wait.
Okay.
60%.
I don't know how this works. Cleta flow maybe.
You should turn on the battery alarm.
No. Wait.